Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: a working headset or mic and the OS voice control enabled. Open Excel using voice or mouse now, and make sure the quick access toolbar has Save, Undo, and New for single-click use. Once done, activate Excel's Tell Me field to run commands by speech. This reduces keyboard needs. You'll use a blend of voice for commands and precise mouse clicks for cell selection. Keep the spreadsheet visible and tools docked for fast access. You'll enter data with dictation. Speak numbers, say new line or tab to move, dictate punctuation like comma and %. For navigation, avoid arrow keys by clicking cells, using the name box to jump, or opening Go to with voice. When editing, double-click a cell or use the formula bar with your mouse. Once done, click the check mark to commit. Make sure to use the ribbon with the mouse or the Tell Me box to run format and formula commands without typing. You'll add formulas by selecting the cell with the mouse and either invoking Tell Me to insert functions or opening the Formulas tab and clicking the function you need. Then use the function arguments dialog to fill values with dictation. For formatting, open format cells and apply number formats, alignment, or conditional rules with mouse selections. When finished, save and export from the quick access toolbar. If voice misrecognizes commands, reposition the microphone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.